this video, we will show you how you can integrate Netradyne with the Nextbillion.ai route optimization API. Let's get to know these two platforms. Netradyne is a technology service provider dedicated to enhancing driver safety, fleet management, and operational efficiency. At its core, they offer a comprehensive suite of services, including GPS solutions, video analysis, and monitoring driver behavior and route conditions in real time. On the other hand, Nextbillion.ai's route optimization API harnesses the power of an advanced optimization engine to enable fleet owners to plan optimized routes and schedules, ensuring optimal efficiency and asset utilization. In our documentation, you'll find a step-by-step integration guide to pull data from Netradyne, configure the data and use Nextbillion.ai route optimization API for computing routes. Let's jump into a quick demo to see this integration in action. Note that the UI was created to demonstrate the integration. Firstly, I've pulled records from the Netradyne platform. The detailed vehicle information contains essential data such as driver names, IDs, camera IDs, license numbers, and much more, and the delivery records outline the daily tasks that must be completed. Using these two datasets, we easily integrate them with the Nextbillion.ai route optimization API to generate optimized routing results. For instance, we consider parameters such as shift timing, service time. Here I've set 120 seconds for executing each job, maximum tasks per driver, I've set it to 50, travel cost, which can be configured to optimize the distance or duration of the entire route, I will optimize it for the duration. Fixed costs again has the flexibility to be based on cost per kilometer or cost per hour. Since I picked duration earlier, I'll enter $200 for each vehicle, whether used or not, and the vehicle. Capacity, let's enter 120 here. This can be for any unit generally based on your needs, but here it means 120 boxes of goods. Now, let's run the optimization API and see the results. I'll use the Nextbillion.ai route planner tool to view the routes on map. We generated 9 optimized routes and assigned jobs efficiently to vehicles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. However, sometimes we encounter unassigned jobs due to capacity constraints, which we can easily identify and address. The results provide comprehensive details of the routes taken, such as total costs, duration, service times, and total distance traveled, both overall and on a vehicle-by-vehicle basis. Additionally, we can view route-specific details, including ETAs of each stop, distance, duration, and cost incurred by the vehicle. Here on the right, you'll find a breakdown of each step. Starting at 7:14 p.m., the vehicle arrives at the first address by 7:16 p.m., taking 1 minute and 1 second to reach and 2 minutes to complete the task. Then it proceeds to consecutive stops until reaching the final destination. It can be the depot or warehouse. This breakdown includes details on the time and distance covered throughout the trip. Moreover, users have the flexibility to view the JSON or download these results as CSV files for further analysis or reporting purposes. But the integration doesn't stop here. These optimized results can be seamlessly integrated into existing applications or dashboards, providing users with real-time insights and actionable data. Furthermore, these results can also be sent to your drivers via a dedicated drivers app. Nextbillion.ai also offers a drivers app that your team can utilize for efficient routing and navigation. Through our integration process, we used Netradyne's data and job records to create better routes with a route optimization API. The integration is great for Netradyne users because it focuses on driver safety while providing optimized routes. Thank you for watching.